So good morning and welcome from New York City, the United States, and the U.S. Tour Operators Association. I'd like to point out that my mask, I'm not sure you can see it, says "Come Together." And before this pandemic hit our entire world, we started a campaign at USTOA entitled "Come Together," because we knew as an industry our strength is when we collaborate and we work as one industry. So throughout this pandemic, we have stressed the opportunities, although most of them have been virtual, to come together. Let me explain why this is particularly significant to me personally. My last business trip before the pandemic struck was to Istanbul. My first business trip post-pandemic, although we're not over this yet, but my first business trip is back to Istanbul. This is where I want to be with you for the next 2 days because we have a moment of opportunity. And what we make of this moment will have significant ramifications moving forward. So I look forward to meeting you, working with you, and let's remember to come together. Thank you very much.